Problem number 14. The question of this problem is comment on LD50 test by using dioxin. Now we will talk about the laboratory assay, that is LD50, and we will talk that from where the term 50 comes. It is actually the test that helps to detect the dosage of chemicals that kills 50% of the exposed animals or exposed human beings. अब LD50 टेस्ट हम डिफरेंट केमिकल्स के साथ कर सकते हैं, बट here we will particularly talk about the chemical called dioxin. LD50 ऐसे परफॉर्म करने के लिए we have to take the certain amount or the dosage of chemical in milligrams, which is actually calculated according to the animal body weight or according to the human being body weight in kilograms. If we are performing this assay in lab, then obviously we perform this experiment on the animals, but accidental events can occur. So chances are there that human beings can get affected from dioxin. So before discussing dioxin, let's talk about different forms of dioxin. It is available in the form of tetrachlorodioxin or in the form of octachlorodioxin. Tetrachlorodioxin is somehow more toxic than octachlorodioxin, but keep in mind that the sensitivity varies among different species. The interesting thing to note over here is that guinea pigs are highly sensitive to tetrachlorodioxin as compared to hamster. Then through this laboratory assay, which is known as LD50, we can detect short-term toxicity, which is also known as acute toxicity. We can talk about the long-term toxicity, which is also known as chronic toxicity. So in a broader way, let's define LD50 test as the use of chemicals that kill 1/2 of the test population of the organisms over a period of several days. So this is the complete definition of LD50 assay. For example, here I am giving the dosage of the same amount of dioxin, but you can check the sensitivity in guinea pigs, rats as well as in hamster. For example, guinea pigs have LD for tetrachlorodioxin in food of only 0.0006 milligrams per kilogram. While if we talk about in rats, the LD for tetrachlorodioxin in food is about ranges from 0.022 to 0.045 milligrams per kilogram. And let's check about the sensitivity in hamster that have LD for tetrachlorodioxin in food of 1 milligram per kilogram. So here you can check that how the species vary among the sensitivity depending upon the dosage of tetrachlorodioxin. Now let's talk about the toxicity of tetrachlorodioxin in mammals. Let's take an example of human beings. If human beings are suffer from or get exposed to the chemical dioxin, it can be tetrachlorodioxin or octachlorodioxin, then the symptoms that appear are severe weight loss. It can be liver damage, lesions in the vascular system in the form of stomach ulcer. It can be in the form of persistent acne, and the reports or the accidents have reported birth defects as well. Now from where the toxicity of tetrachlorodioxin comes from, whether it is present in the environment that we are exposed to dioxin. The first is the example of those workers who are working in the chemical factory dealing with dioxin, especially with tetrachlorodioxin. If the worker keep on exposing to these chemicals such as dioxin, then they can prove to be lethal. Similarly, people who are living near the toxic waste dump, they can expose to tetrachlorodioxin. For example, if your residential place is in the industrial area, then you can be exposed to tetrachlorodioxin. For example, most of the people suffered from those areas, such as in Pakistan, we give an example of Kasool. Then accidental events can happen in the factories. Let's take an example of accidental event that occurs in one of the factories of Italy. As there is increased exposure or the leakage or the spillage of tetrachlorodioxin, they evacuated the factory as soon as possible. They not only evacuate the factory but also the surrounding areas. कम से कम 700 लोगों की पॉपुलेशन जो कि इर्द गिर्द के एरिया पर मुश्तमिल थी, वो उन्होंने एवैक्यूएट कराई ताकि लोगों को इससे कोई हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ना हो. बाद में जब टेस्ट परफॉर्म किए गए फॉर चेकिंग आउट द टॉक्सिसिटी, तो बहुत सारी कंप्लेंट्स आई रिगार्डिंग परसिस्टेंट एक्ने. इसके अलावा कोई भी बर्थ डिफेक्ट की रिपोर्ट नहीं आई. सो दिस इज समहाउ द lesser exposure to human beings, and the people of Italy complain of persistent acne.